Hello and hi to sweet viewers of Easy Health Tips. I'm Dr. Sheen and you are watching your all-time favorite YouTube channel Easy Health Tips. Before moving towards our today's topic, I request you to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon in order to get latest videos first of all. So let's start our today's topic. The acid in your stomach is strong enough to dissolve metal. Just a drop of this stomach acid on your palm can melt your muscles. Your stomach produces a very strong acid known as hydrochloric acid or HCl. It is used to clean rusty steel and scaly coils. And it's also found in household cleaning supplies such as toilet bowl cleaner. Stomach secretes roughly 2 liters of HCl every day. HCl along with digestive enzymes and other chemicals in the stomach is known as gastric juice. This juice is very important in absorbing nutrients from the food you eat. HCl kills bacteria and viruses that may come along with food or drink, protecting you from various infections and diseases. It also activates stomach enzymes that digest protein in your food. HCl also maintains the stomach pH for the function of these enzymes. Acids are measured on the pH scale with a range of 0 to 14. The lower the pH, the more stronger the acid. A healthy stomach has pH of 1.5 to 3.0. This puts stomach acid somewhere between vinegar and battery acid. Surprisingly, this strong acid does not harm your stomach itself. It is because your stomach has a lining of mucus secreting cells that coats the inside of the stomach, protecting your stomach from acid. Sometimes the gastric juice leaks into the esophagus, which lacks this protective mucus layer. This acid reflux causes burning feelings such as heartburn. Too much digestive acid can eat away the mucus lining, leading to ulcers. Ulcers in the stomach are known as stomach, gastric or peptic ulcers. Deficiency of HCl in the stomach can cause many problems. Without stomach acid, the body will have issues absorbing iron, increasing your risk of developing iron deficiency anemia. Without enough stomach acid, there is a greater risk of infections of digestive tract. It can lead to malabsorption, a condition that prevents your small intestine from absorbing nutrients from food. Alright viewers, thanks for watching. Kindly share with your loved ones for their knowledge and health as well.
Alright viewers, have we finished the topic? You can give us your precious feedback in the comment section below. And don't forget to share this video with your fellows. Also subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to show your love and support. Thank you. We'll be right back tomorrow with a new and interesting video. Till then, take care of yourself, your friends and family. Bye bye.